Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? This is Huey, and we're back with another video. And today, as promised, we are starting technical analysis and we're going to analyze our first trade. This is the basic entry into technical analysis. And always, when you start with technical analysis, look at the higher time frame than you are trading. So, for example, we're going to be trading 3, 5, sometimes 1 minute charts. So, we want to look at 1 hour time frame and see where the trend is really heading. And as you can see here, we have a downtrend with a deep price correction that continues on to downtrend, and then we have another if you look here and don't realize which trend are you currently in, all you need to look at it basically, if you can see here, we have a high right here, a high, and then we have a next lower high, and then another lower high, which is accompanied by several lower lows. After a slight price correction, we have another set of lower highs, and then we proceed to the downtrend right here, as you can see, and there's another one, and these are the lower lows that are accompanying, which means every time the new high appears, it is lower than the previous one, and same goes for the lows. Every time a low is updated, it is lower than the previous one. And here we have consolidation, two consolidations basically, which means that the sellers are amassing power to make a breakout again and move downwards, and this is exactly what we have on 1 hour time frame. But actually, if we go to 15 minutes, we see a little bit different picture here already. And if you are trading 5 minutes, or actually let's go to 3 minutes, you see a completely different picture here. We have a short-term uptrend right here. So what you need to be paying attention to is several higher highs and higher lows. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a trend line and we're gonna place it on top of all the higher highs that we had here. You need to get as many connections as you can, and we're also going to draw another one that's gonna touch all the higher lows right here. And what you can see here is this is basically your support and resistance level right here, and you're gonna basically look at the price testing the support level several times, but without any success. So what we can do is we can trade on reversal. We can trade reversals or breakouts, depends on what you like. But in this situation, I would really trade in the direction of the trend, and that is a short-term uptrend. So once the price touches the support level, which is the bottom line, we are going to wait for a bullish engulfing pattern, and then we're going to take a 3-minute trade right here. And this is how you secure yourself a nice win and nice entry point. Of course, you can trade with indicators, but seeing everything yourself and being able to draw support and resistance levels is very important, and it's going to help you a long way when you're starting trading yourself. And actually, indicators will only solidify your position, and it only will confirm your position or entry when you apply them. And as you can see, we have pocket option open here on the same trading asset. So basically, you can use actually pocket option for all of this, but I advise to, if you're doing basic technical analysis or complex technical analysis, you can just do it on TradingView, because TradingView actually has a lot more tools than pocket option. Actually, in that department, pocket option is pretty lackluster. So my advice is get TradingView, and it has a lot of tools that can help you and way more indicators that you can try out yourself. So go ahead, try it out, and let us know. So basically, the entire idea of this technical analysis is we're going to wait for the price to test support level, and then we're gonna wait for a bullish engulfing pattern, which will bullish engulfing pattern is when a green candle completely swallows the previous red candle, and that's when we can enter for 3 minutes long position. And you will see for yourself how easy it is to actually find entry points when you know what you're doing. There are, of course, way more and way deeper technical analysis, but we are just starting off, and we're definitely gonna look into more things regarding technical analysis, and we'll see more complex patterns, market chart patterns, and etc. So this is going to be our entry point when the bullish engulfing pattern happens. So now, as you can see, everything that we predicted happens right now. So we are basically just waiting for the pattern to occur, and then we're taking 3-minute long position. And while we're waiting, guys, I want to remind you that we have several free groups available for everyone. NEOS Private Trading Group is absolutely the group that you should be looking to join. This should be your goal, because all the good stuff is going and is happening here. We have trading sessions every day. We are currently working on a video tutorial for technical analysis, which is gonna cover a lot of things, and it's really gonna help you to go from novice trader to a professional trader. You're gonna look at the market chart like you have never looked before. You will see things you've never actually seen, and we're gonna explain complex things really easily so you can understand them and apply them to your day-to-day trading. And of course, while you're waiting for that course to be done, trading sessions with NEOS are the best way to make money. And of course, you can participate in the giveaways that are happening every day as well, and they're going to be happening in this group specifically. So make sure to send NEOS a message and ask him to invite you to this group. He'll provide you with all the information. But if you don't get into this group, you can still get into our free signals group. That group is absolutely free for everyone. We have a lot of useful information available to you right off the get-go, and as you can see, we have some technical analysis tips, etc, etc. All these patterns that we're talking about right now, they're also covered in this group, and we're going to be covering them more in depth in the private trading group. So this group is basically to get a taste of what's coming in the private trading group. So this should be your end goal. But of course, the giveaways are happening in both groups right now, even though private trading group has more giveaways available for you. So if you're low on deposit, make sure to join this group and participate in the first giveaway that you see. All you need to do is watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like. That's all you need to do, and you'll win $100. We're gonna have these giveaways happen every day. And now actually, if we go back to TradingView, you can see that the price has already started testing our support level, and we are not rushing. We are waiting for the bullish engulfing pattern to form. Then and only then we are taking a 3-minute long trade in this situation. Technical analysis is really going to improve your chances of having a successful entry. And of course, drawing support and resistance lines is one of the most important aspects of the technical analysis. So try to go onto the TradingView and try to practice drawing the most obvious support and resistance levels, and then you can basically choose what you want to trade. You can trade using the as I say, breakout patterns, or you can trade through the reversal patterns. It's whatever you like. So as you can see here, the bullish engulfing pattern still hasn't formed, so we're still gonna have to wait for at least another 3 minutes. And guys, of course, this takes a little bit of time, but believe me, you want to have as clean of an entry as you can. So as a trader, you're going to need a lot of patience, and you have to be patient, because if you rush right now, you don't know if the next candle is going to be bearish or bullish. But if you see a clear bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing pattern, you can tell where the price will go, and that is exactly what we're waiting for. But I'm not gonna spend another 15 minutes just looking at this chart. This is not fun, so I'm going to skip ahead to when we get a bullish engulfing pattern, and we'll see what we can do with it. Let's go. And actually 5 minutes later, what we can see here is a big bullish candle forming, and that's what we've been waiting for. As you can see, it has already swallowed the previous red candle, so we're waiting for this candle to close in 1 minute, and if it stays this way, we're going to take a 3-minute long position, and I guarantee you that we're going to secure the win, because this is what it's all about. You can see it clearly that there are two levels, support and resistance level, and the price has been testing the support level for quite a while. and now it's gonna bounce off the support level once again, and our safe bets, our indicator of that is the bullish engulfing pattern. Very simple, very easy. Learn to draw the support and resistance lines, and believe me, you're gonna have a great time trading, and you're gonna look at the chart differently. You're gonna see a lot of things. As you can see, this is very easy. Like, you can clearly see where the support line is, where the resistance line, where the price is heading, and how to enter. And if you could see there was actually multiple entries that you could do, because there was multiple bullish engulfing patterns forming right after the touch. And here we are, we entering a 3-minute trade. Very simple. Now let's skip ahead and see what we got. Let's go. And here we have the last 3 seconds of the option of the trade, and we secure a win. Very simple, $920 with one trade, and we had guaranteed entry here. Very, very easy. Once again, this is a basic technical analysis, and support and resistance is gonna reduce your headache. It's gonna remove a lot of it, and you're gonna see the picture clearly. So just like that, after this, I predicted the price will go back up, and then on the next one it's gonna break out and go lower pretty much, because as we seen previously, overall the market is in the downtrend if you look at the hour chart. So I expect that to happen. This is it for now, boys. Join the groups. You can find all the links in the description below, and of course, as you can see here, the price keeps going up. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.